Good morning. In our previous class, we learned MySQL or SQL math functions like power, round, and mode. The use of power function is to find out or to receive or to get the power of a number. The use of round function is to round any real value up to specified decimal place, and mode function is used to return the remainder of number after division operation. These are the only three functions included in our syllabus. Students, you should practice these functions thoroughly, because there may be question directly with the use of power, mode, and round function, or it can be applied to the value of a table. So prepare accordingly. Next function category is text function, or we can say string function. Functions of MySQL or SQL which are used or applied over string value or text value which is enclosed in single quotes or double quotes, and perform some operation over those values and return some result. Such functions are known as text function. In this study material, we have included only those functions which are in our syllabus. So first one is upper. As its name implies, upper means it converts string into uppercase, means it returns the string, whatever string passed inside upper function, with all characters changed to uppercase. For example, here we are writing MySQL command, select upper, and inside bracket we are passing string tej, T in capital and other two letters are in small case, tej and semicolon. If we press the enter key, the statement is executed and it returns tej in uppercase. Its synonym is ucase, means either we can use upper function or we can use ucase function. Both function perform the same operation. Students, we do it practically. Here we are applying the same function. I am writing here any string in small case like India in small case. Now I execute this statement. After execution of this statement, student, you will be finding in lower part of the screen below output, in output window, here India is written in capital letters. So upper case function returns uppercase value if string is passed into lower case. But if string is in already in uppercase, even if there is no need of operation, but if someone write whole string in uppercase and execute the same statement, it will return as it is. So if a string is in uppercase, it return uppercase, means same case, and if a string is in toggle case or in lower case, it convert it into uppercase, and then it returns uppercase string. Okay, so it's very easy. U case. Now I execute same. Student, you are finding same output because it is synonyms of upper. Either we can use U case function or we can use upper. Now students, we move towards next function, that is lower. Lower means the function which convert string into lower case value. All letters will be converted into lower case. Either we can use L case or we can use lower case. So I change it to L case. Now execute statement. Student, you are finding output India in lower case. As argument we are passing uppercase string as India, and it is converted into lower case by L case function, and its result is L case India. Now I change it to lower and execute the same. It is executing and result is shown in lower. So we can use L case or lower. Similarly we can use U case and upper for uppercase conversion. Okay student, now we learn next function, that is substring. Substring returns the part of the string. How it returns part of the string? Here are some example given. Two syntax forms are given here. Either we can use substring with string and its position, or string with this position and then after length means number of characters to be accessed. So the form without a len argument return a substring from string starting at position pose. Okay, and if we specify length, it means starting from that position up to number of characters specified. So student, in this first example, select substring practically, then 5 from 5 position. So P is at position 1, R at 2, A at 3, C at 4 and T at 5 position. So it starts from 5. In this first example, we are not specifying how many characters are to be extracted from this string. So if we are mentioning only position, beginning position, it will return the remaining part of the string. So T and onwards last Y, all characters will be returned. That is substring. Next substring example is foo, far, bar, and we are mentioning from 4 position. So for 4th position F is there. So it's similar to earlier example, but here we are mentioning from is 4th position, from 4th position till last position, because we are not mentioning last number of characters. Okay, next example is quadratically with position 5 and 6 character until 6 characters. So at 5th position R is at 5th position, and then after including of R we retrieve 6 characters. So RATICA, that is returned. Okay, And next example, Akila, and we are mentioning third position, so it start from -1 from the end position, then -2, L at -2 and I at -3. So -3, then -2, then -1. So ILA is returned. In this example we are mentioning from -5 and only 3 characters. So at -5 position, starting from rightmost position, -1, A at -1, L at -2, I at -3, K at -4 and A at -5. So A, then 2 more characters will be returned for 3 characters, as 3 characters required. Next is select substring, then Akila from -4th position up to 2 characters. Okay, so here we are mentioning position from 4, from, and how many characters with the use of 4. So at -4 position it is K and 2 characters, so Ki is returned. So when we are finding here one function mid also perform the same operation as substring function perform. So either we can use mid function or we can use substring function. Okay, we do it practically. Okay, substring here I mention Mahabharat. Okay, and I execute the same. It returns error. Why it is returning error? Because we are passing only single argument, but substring function require at least 2 arguments. First argument string and second argument positions, and we are here mentioning only string, so error is returned. Now student, we mention its second argument 5. So think yourself what will be the output. Okay, hope that you will have answer in your mind. I execute the statement. What is the output? Here it is returning Bharat. Why it is returning Bharat? Because we have mentioned 5 from 5 position from left side. 1 at M is at 1, A is at 2, H is at 3, A is at 4 and B is at 5. So starting from 5 till end position, because we are not mentioning ending position. Now I mention here one additional argument, that is 3. So its meaning is starting from 5th position and return only 3 characters. Okay, BHA is the output as required. Now I mention here negative position. Okay, at -5 position, H is at -5 position and 3 letters in right side. Okay, similar functionality can be done with the help of mid function. Okay, so execute the same one, it is returning same output. So mid is similar function. Okay student, now student will learn one more function, that is length. Length function is used to return the number of characters inside a string. Okay, in this example text is the string, there are 4 characters, so that's why its output is 4. We perform same operation here. Okay, I write here LENGTH. Okay, length. So number of characters in this string is 10. Number of characters in this string are 10. Its length is 10. Okay, next function is left. Left means return the left part of the string up to number of characters. In this example, toolbar is the string and we want to return left 4 characters. So tool will be returned. Okay, similar operation we will perform left, and here we will have to mention number of characters from left side. I execute the statement. It returns MAHA. Okay, next I change it to right. It will return rightmost 4 characters. It is returning ARAT from right side, only 4 characters. So we can extract right part of the string also with the help of right function. Okay student, next function is INSTR. INSTR function is used to search substring inside main string. In this example, 2 bar is the main string and bar is substring to be searched in main string. So BAR, first occurrence of BAR is at 4th location. Okay, if substring exists, it return 4. If it does not exist, it returns 0. So in this example, in first example it is 4, otherwise it's 0. Perform same operation. Here we will mention in str inside string. Here I mention EHARAT. Now execute the statement. Okay, Bharat is available inside Mahabharat and that is at 5th location. Okay, now I change string that is not inside main string. Execute the statement. 0 is the output. Okay, thank you student. This is enough for today. We will learn next function LTrim, RTrim and trim next time. Student, you go through these functions yourself and try to practice these functions. Okay, thank you.